Hey daisies, welcome back to my channel. So today I am decorating my mantle from start to finish. I'm going to show you exactly how I incorporate all of my ribbons, my picks, and just my process of going throughout the whole thing. I'm also going to be finishing decorating my Christmas tree with you guys. I'm going to add my topper. I did not do the full decorate with me for this tree. Long story short, I've really been busy working for other clients and decorating their spaces for Christmas. So as far as my tree, I was decorating it very late at night. You guys wouldn't have want to see me in the state that I was in while I was doing it, but I had to get it done, and unfortunately I could not get it done on camera. So anyway, I still want you guys to see it. As you saw in my last haul video, that I did do all of my ribbons. However, I ended up having to play merry-go-round with my Christmas trees this year. So the previous flock tree that I had in this space is actually going to be in my former living room this year. And we have a new 9-foot tree in this space. And I absolutely love it. It's very tall, and that's what I like. And it's a tree that I can take with me to my next home whenever I do move. So I'm going to show you guys all of that. I hope you guys enjoyed the remainder of the video and take some tips and inspiration from this, and I will check back with you guys at the end. So right here, I'm going to create a cluster of ornaments. I find this way to be easier and to create a greater impact with your ornaments if you create clusters to place inside of your garland. So my mantle and my tree are now complete. I absolutely love the way that it turns out. I hope you guys do as well. I hope you love my colors that I chose this year. Very neutral, earthy. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, daisies.